Before we get into this video, I'm doing a giveaway for some guitar and ukulele strings. All you guys have to do is go down to the link down below in the description or in the comments, and this contest is all the way till July 4th. Go ahead, check it out. Very simple rules to get into it, but let's get started with this video. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele. If you guys want to check out my guitar version, I'll have it up here. You guys can check that one out. But let's get started with the chords. So we got 4 chords here. First chord is going to be F, then G, D minor, and E minor. Okay, so F, G, D minor, and E minor. Now if you guys want to get more complex, what we're going to be using is an F major 7. So it's an F, your ring finger here, and your pinky here. So that's an F major 7. Then from there we go to G. Then you can play a D minor 7. So that's a D minor with your pinky on the last string, 3rd fret. And then the E minor 7. So that one is going to be here. You guys can play it like this. So open, 2nd fret here, open, 2nd fret. Okay, so basically, and then same for the F. So the strum pattern that I'm using here is down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, and then down, up. Then use the F major 7. Okay. So that is how you guys can play the song 2 different ways. One basic and complex chords. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.